Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to shop post call overlay for non-contacts. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. So that's been here. You have to get premium first, then automatically it's going to disable with you here. Shop post call overlay for non-contacts on your call app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.